Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make numbers count up in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can go to here to create a new composition. I click it, and then we can keep the default setting and press OK to create a new composition. And then we can go to composition and use right click and go to new. We can add text. And then the text layer is added. Next, we can keep it empty text layer, or we can type to preview the fonts. And I will type, for example, I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This is quite small, and I want to change the font type. I press OK for the properties panel, and we can change the font type. For example, I change it to Arial, and use Arial. And use bold to make it obvious, and we can enlarge it. And also we can make it center alignment, and I want to make it center in composition, so we can go to align over here and align to composition horizontally and vertically. Next, make sure that we select the text layer and then go to Effects and Presets. If you don't find this, you can go to Window and Show Effects and Presets here. I click it and Show Effects and Presets. And we can search counter, and then we can find counter Monospaced under the animation presets, text, and number counters. I double click to apply to the text layer. So we can press spacebar to preview it. This is countdown. And then I press U to show the keyframe. If we want to count up, we can use right click and use time reverse layer. So we can see the layer is reversed and the keyframe is at the end. Now I select the keyframes and move it to the first second. And then we can play the preview again, press spacebar. So this is count up. So if you think this is too fast, we can extend the duration between the keyframes. Now we can see again, press spacebar. But we can see that this is negative. If we go to graphic editor, this is go down to negative and go up. So if we want to change it, we can change the arm over here, or we can select the keyframe and go to here to set keyframe to linear. Then we can go back to graphic editor and we can preview again. This is count up. Now we can set the number. For example, we can go to countdown controls. I suggest to use the multiple tens value multiplier to 1. And then we can set the first number. For example, we can set 2000 and go to the second frame, and I will set 2026. So we can go back to first, second, and preview. We can counter from 2000 to 2026. So this is how we can make numbers count up in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.